So as you can tell, lightning. You know what that means? Thunder. Yep. It's not that far away from the thunder, or lightning for that matter. Yep. Raining. It's a great thunderstorm warning though. I'm not talking about yellow at this point because you know, I'm not gonna get awarded. Classic credit and something like that. But nonetheless, it's hot in Arizona right now. About like 100-something degrees out there. There we go. The Dion Lounge move. What? The dude, Dion got. It was moving. From the it wasn't hard to move though. I hear a fire truck in the background. Yeah. Oh, that one wasn't that hard. My mom's couldn't pay the rent. I saw some lightning outside. Yep. Yeah, lightning's coming out there. I got my power adapter back thanks to a friend of mine. He emailed it to me, and a few years later, I got it back. Yep, happy Wednesday to you guys out there. I might do more shoutouts in the near future. Yep, I do shoutouts. I get my Xbox back out, playing some Forza Horizon 3, and I get my power adapter back. So thanks. Just watching, hit a sub button for more vlogs. I can comment down below. Hashtag I'm a creator. Hashtag I create. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, my dudes.